Running a business has a lot of moving parts. One of the most important moving parts, both literally and figuratively, are your commercial vehicles. Whether you own a fleet of cars or just one business car, you have to make sure that you are insured to protect your vehicles, your employees, and your assets. Let's talk about that. Hi, this is Chris Penrich from Berry Insurance. For many companies, traveling by car is an important part of their business operations. Whether you are out meeting clients or transferring materials, a commercial vehicle might be something you find your business needing. In fact, I use a commercial vehicle here at Berry Insurance to travel around locally and meet with clients all the time. That being said, commercial auto insurance is not quite the same as personal auto insurance. So in this video, I'm going to cover some of the most commonly asked questions we get about commercial auto insurance. Let's jump in. What is commercial auto insurance? Your commercial auto coverage works in a very similar way to your personal auto insurance. However, rather than your personal vehicle, it covers your business vehicles and your liabilities associated with them. A business auto policy can be customized with the coverages that are relevant and necessary to your business operations and will help protect you if your business is sued as a result of you or your employees' actions out on the road. What is not covered by commercial auto insurance. Business auto insurance covers a variety of vehicle-related incidents, but as is in the case of all insurance, it is subject to some limitations, exclusions, and additional optional coverages that you may want to consider before heading out on the road. What is covered? Liability coverage for bodily injuries or property damage caused by your company vehicle. Physical damages to your company vehicle. Medical payments. Coverage if you are involved in a hit-and-run accident. Coverage if you are hit by an uninsured driver. Hired auto liability for accidents caused in rented vehicles, optional. Non-owned auto liability for accidents from your employees using their car for your business, optional. Glass or windshield replacement. What is not covered? Businesses or personal property damage within your vehicle. Mobile equipment, such as equipment being transported to and from the job site, or equipment that is not registered for road use. Intentional bodily injury or property damage. Completed operations or your work, such as if you snowplow an area and then someone slips on ice after the job has been completed. This would need to be covered under general liability as a service. Towing, optional. Pollution. This may or may not be covered. You may need to purchase a pollution liability policy. Personal auto liability. If you cause an accident in your company car doing non-business related errands, then the damage to the car would be covered, but any personal liability would not be covered. Do I need commercial auto insurance? If you register any vehicle in your company name, you need commercial auto insurance. It does not make a difference if the vehicle is a sedan, van, or light pickup truck. If you register a vehicle in your personal name, but use it for business, you may also need a commercial auto policy. You can ask your insurance agent about that, and they should be able to determine whether or not you will need one. Even if you don't own any vehicles, you may still need a commercial auto policy. Surprising, I'm sure. However, if you frequently rent or borrow any vehicles for business, like when you travel for a business or rent a car for a business, you may still need to get a business auto policy, such as hired and non-owned auto liability insurance. If you want more information about what you need to know when renting a car for a business, check out the link in the description of this video. How much commercial auto coverage do I need? Every business is unique, so every business needs a unique policy that caters to their insurance needs and the risks of the individual industry. Without specific details about your company, we can't really tell you how much commercial auto coverage you will need. However, you might need more coverage than you might think. For most insurance companies, the maximum commercial auto insurance you can purchase is $1 million. Unfortunately, this may not be enough in today's standards, especially with the rising cost of vehicles and vehicle repairs. Many of our commercial clients have opted to buy commercial umbrella insurance to protect against potential large claims that exceed the basic commercial auto policy limits.
Look at that. He's making me cry.
If you'd like to learn more about commercial umbrella insurance, check out the article linked in the description of this video. Do I need personal auto insurance too? Some business owners choose to register all their vehicles in the name of the business, even their personal ones.
I am McLovin.
If you choose to do this, when a business owner or employee uses a company vehicle for personal use, damages to the vehicle would be covered, but personal liability would not be covered. In order to gain full coverage, an employee would need either a personal non-owner policy, or the company could add a coverage called Drive Other Car to the commercial auto policy and give the named individuals personal auto liability coverage. How much does commercial auto insurance cost? Unfortunately, this is not as straightforward of an answer as we'd like.
What?
Commercial auto insurance is complex, and the cost can vary significantly based on several factors, including the number of vehicles a company owns, the cost of the vehicles, where the vehicles are garaged, the business operations, the coverages included, the limits on the policy, and the driver history. Here at Barry Insurance, we have seen policies range from $1,500 for a private passenger vehicle to over $40,000 for a large company with many vehicles. Just keep in mind, commercial auto insurance tends to be more expensive than personal auto insurance due to the extra risks your business assumes by using your vehicles to transport goods or carry out services. Also, a commercial auto policy offers much higher coverage limits and will protect not only just your business, but your employees while driving for your business as well. To read more information about why commercial auto coverage costs more than personal auto coverage, check out the link in the description of this video. What happens if I need to file a business auto claim? If you or one of your employees is involved in an accident or had damage to a work vehicle, don't worry. Here's what you should do. Once you've made sure you and the vehicle are in a safe location, you will want to gather the necessary information, such as details of the accident, the people and the vehicles involved, photos of the damage, license plates, registrations, driver's license, police report, crash report, and auto insurance policy numbers of everyone involved. Once you have collected that information, report it to your insurance agent, who can help navigate the claims process for you by reporting it to your insurance company and getting an adjuster assigned to review your claim information and make a determination. For more information about what happens after a car accident, check out the article linked below. When running a business, things move fast, and keeping your vehicles protected is an important part of keeping things moving. If something happened to your vehicle or the employee driving it, how would that affect your business? Even worse, if it wasn't insured properly, you'd also be stuck with a large out-of-pocket expense. Making sure you have a solid business auto policy to make sure your vehicles and employees are protected from damage and liability is one of the best ways to make sure things continue to move smoothly for your business.
Everybody have a good week!
That's because we have great commercial auto insurance.
One last thing, if you're looking into a business auto policy, you most likely need a full business insurance policy to cover everything else in your business. If you're interested in learning more about commercial auto insurance, check out the article linked below or head on over to our Learning Center on our website. We have a database of articles and videos on a bunch of insurance topics, including commercial auto insurance and more. Thank you for watching, and if you found today's video helpful, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. We post videos like this every week to help educate our viewers about insurance. We will see you in the next one.